In this video, I will show you how to underline chapter headings in Microsoft Word. So, like you want to make the chapter this one, select this line or press enter and 3 times dash. So this way you can underline the chapter. There are 3 methods. First method, using the underline button, select and here click on underline like this. And second method, using a bottom border for a clear look. So select it and here just select bottom border like this. Third method, headings style with underline. So select heading, open the style pane, Alt Control Shift S, right click on heading style and select heading 1. Choose modify and click underline. Like this I will show you. In style select heading 1 and in heading 1 select underline. So thanks for watching.